Hey, my crazy big black family, welcome back to YouTube and welcome back to my channel, my crazy big black family on YouTube. Get subscribed if you're not subscribed. Good morning, guys. You see I'm out here in this weather. So apparently it snowed last night. I didn't know about it, but yeah, and I had to get out here. I dropped my daughter off just now at her job, so I'm actually about to get my cup of coffee so I could begin my all-day cooking. But you know, for those folks like us, we got to have a little extra kick me up, wake me up, get things going. So for that, I got to have a coffee, guys. And I'm on my way to my local coffee donut shop to get me a nice little coffee to start my day and have an amazing Thanksgiving Eve. Happy Thanksgiving Eve to you today, guys. If you haven't heard that yet, happy Thanksgiving Eve, because it is the eve before the big day, guys. And I'm up, I'm at 'em, I'm doing my cooking. Shout out to everybody who has commented on my videos. Good morning. I love you guys. We love you guys so much. Thank you for subscribing. We appreciate you guys for subscribing. We not offering anything over here. We just offering love, compassion, kindness, consistent, everyday, routine, realistic, authenticity, original channel all over here. That's what we're offering, and it's for free, my loves. So please don't forget, subscribe. We love you guys so much for tuning into my crazy big black family, and we appreciate all the love that you guys give us, guys. So why not come for me on my morning little coffee run? Good morning. Can I have a medium caramel swirl iced coffee with extra caramel swirl, please? Cream and sugar, please. Light on the cream, extra sugar. And can I have a medium hot coffee, regular with cream and sugar? Okay. Extra sugar, light on the cream as well, please. Okay. And I think that's it. Thank you.